So a couple people asked me on Twitch and in the comment section, all that sort of stuff, what YouTube channels do I watch? Like, what kind of content do I consume? And I thought that was a kind of good question. You know, I've never really answered it in full before. So I'll try and name 10 YouTube channels that I watch. And bear in mind, not all of them are going to be car channels. Some of them are going to be gaming channels or something else. All right? Cool. Now, let's begin. And we're going to go from, I mean, this rank doesn't really mean a whole lot other than, you know, the lower, you know, like the closer to number one, the more frequently I watch this channel and return to it, whether it's watching new videos or old videos. So I'm going to try and be accurate to that. Rev matching is just so fun. All right, so let's start. We've got, at number 10, we've got Craig Lieberman's channel. Everyone likes to watch Craig Lieberman. He makes a lot of videos similar to the ones I used to make in Car Topics Explained about the Fast and the Furious, how cars are built, how scenes are done, and stunts are performed, and all that sort of stuff. Very cool information, and because I'm a film buff and I love the Fast and the Furious, you know, it's perfect. You know, it's a great channel to go to because he's a primary source of information. And for those of you that have gone to school know that a primary source of information is reliable, and it hasn't gone through like, it hasn't played the game of telephone, where it's been passed on and filtered and there's been like translation errors. This guy, Craig Lieberman, was there when the movie was being made. Some of his cars were used in the movies. So it's always fun to listen to him talk about how they were made, because as far as I can tell, anything he says doesn't seem to really violate an NDA. So you can learn as much as you want. Number 9, even though I don't watch them as much anymore, because I mostly watch them for street racing content, is 1320 Video. I've been watching them since, you know, middle school, so like 2010, 2011, 2012, that sort of thing. They make really good, you know, racing content. I remember when they hit 1 million views, and that was really cool, really exciting. I remember watching like their cash days and King of the Streets videos. I remember watching some of their burnout competition videos. All very, very, very cool. In the number 8 slot, we've got Call Me Kevin. Call Me Kevin is not a car channel, but he is hilarious. Very hilarious. I think he's Irish. He's very funny. He plays a lot of games that I like to play when the camera's not on, and I think his editing style is very hilarious. The kind of the jump cuts, the things he says, you know, the wit he has, or at least the wit he appears to have because of his jump cuts and his editing style, I think is very hilarious and very funny, and it cracks me up, which is good. So, Call Me Kevin at number 8. At number 7, we've got Life of Paulos. I figured you guys would be surprised if he wasn't somewhere on this list. Life of Paulos, he should probably be higher up on the list, to be honest. But he is a channel that does, you know, community news videos and updates for everyone that is interested in watching, you know, supercar exotic content and some like build content. Though mostly exotics and supercars and all that sort of stuff, which is why I've never been on that channel, because, well, the car I have is a Subaru. So, but his channel is very cool. It's very simple. It's just about covering what's happening in the community, which can be cool for someone that doesn't always know when someone that they want to watch has uploaded something. He'll usually talk about how, you know, Stradman posted a video today, or Daily Driven Exotics did this, and blah, 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 blah. And it helps you stay in the loop, which I think is really cool, because otherwise, without him, it's not really a way to do that quite so effectively. At number 6, we've got Walterific. Walterific was one of the original inspirations I had for making this YouTube channel, The Racing Joker. I made this channel in 2017, or started uploading in 2017, once I got this car. And his Moto Monday and Finally Fridays video series, his moto vlogging videos, really inspired me because I wanted to make videos like that. So hence, that's why I'm making these videos right now, with the Commute. Hopefully it sticks, because it seems, the thing is, like, whenever I consume content, if I enjoy it enough, I want to also create that content. I've rarely ever consumed something, enjoy it, and then not also think about what it would be like to create that same kind of content. That's just kind of how I'm wired. But yeah, Walterific is very funny, he seems like a very chill dude. I've never spoken to him personally. I've played Forza Horizon 4 with him, though. That's kind of fun. He's very funny, has lots of cool bikes. He has a very nice Audi R8, I gotta say. He's also got a tricked out Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, covered in light. It's black and red, and it looks crazy. It's all very cool. But yeah, he's super funny, super entertaining, and that's why he is at number 6. At number 5, we've got The Smoking Tire. It's a car review channel, automotive channel, hosted by Matt Farah, one of the original, from the early days of like automotive YouTube. He's been on Motor Trend and all that sort of stuff. He was the host of Tuned for several seasons. I don't know if he is now. Very, very down-to-earth guy. Very, very, very entertaining. He's not. It's more old school, I should say, because he's not super filtered, and he's to the point. He doesn't waste your time. He doesn't use a bunch of crazy jump cuts and glitz and glamour and crazy sparkly special effects and this and the other. It's just raw footage of cars, vaguely edited together, good, cool reviews with good insights, and he has the experience to back it up. And I think, like, that is the sort of thing that I aspire to create. Like, that sort of informed, experienced content about cars. I think that is really cool. And if you guys like car reviews, whether it's modified cars or stock cars, you guys should definitely check out his channel, because he makes, I would argue, some of the best. He's up there with the top 3 best review channels, in my opinion, because he doesn't waste any time. He doesn't waste your time. He doesn't waste his. And he tells you what you need to know. At the number 4 slot, we've got Blue Zephos, or AKA Yogscast, Lewis and Simon, I suppose. The original Yogscast channel. I've been watching them since I was in middle school, probably like 2010, 2011 sort of thing. This was the original YouTube channel that really just inspired me to do YouTube videos. I can talk more about my journey in YouTube in a different video, but, their Minecraft videos and gaming videos, the reason why that inspired me to make more videos is because they were hanging out with friends, having a good time, and I thought, if I can enjoy myself watching other people playing games and feel good about it, then maybe I should try that too, because that's pretty cool, because then I can have fun, and then also entertain other people as well, and they can have fun, and just spread the fun and the good feelings. That's the whole reason why I like to do YouTube, is because the more people I reach and hopefully entertain, make them feel good or feel fulfilled or satisfied, the better I feel, because that's the whole reason why I do it. I want people to enjoy themselves when watching my videos. I don't care about fame. I don't really care about money, but it does pay the bills. And it's all meant to be fun. In the number 3 slot, we've got none other than David Patterson, That Dude in Blue. Probably the best car review channel I've ever seen. He's my favorite. I always go back to him whenever I need to, hear about a car. Like, if there's a car I'm considering buying, I always see if he's done a review on it first, because that's a military thing or whatever. That looks like a military helicopter. It's got fake people in it. That was creepy. Anyways, I don't know if you guys saw that. Doesn't matter. That Dude in Blue seems like such a super chill dude, down to earth, very knowledgeable about cars, loves cars. He's turned his passion into a profession, which is everyone's dream, because it's just such good content. Seems like so much fun, the stuff that he's doing. Did I miss something there? Why did he stop? Did you guys see that? The light was green. Okay. Anyways, people are wacko. That Dude in Blue, he makes cool vlogs, videos about how to modify his cars. He has 2 Mustangs, a nice 2JZ built 240SX, a very clean looking Integra. I don't know the status of any of his builds right now. Very cool, very, 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 very fun guy to watch, and you guys should watch him too. In the number 2 slot is a fellow Tom. His name's Tom Clark, but Angry Tom gaming channel. Basically all about making super chill, very kind of, I won't say low effort, but just kind of relaxed atmosphere videos, which is a vibe I really want to have in some of my gaming videos. I like the idea of just making videos, being relaxed, and just unwinding while you watch someone play a video game. Even though you could probably play a video game, but who wants to sit down and spend time turning on their computer? I don't know. But I think that his videos are well edited. His commentary is pretty good. He does a unique selection of gaming. Like a lot of YouTubers like to do like indie games and this, that, and the other. He will take that to like another level, and he'll do very interesting games that you've probably never heard of before, and he'll make a series out of it that is very fun. He inspired me to play Subnautica. I am currently playing The Sinking City on my Twitch channel because of him, because he has a good series, and he inspired me to play it. So, yeah, very cool dude. I recommend you check him out if you like gaming videos. He also inspired me to play Forager and Dicey Dungeons and all that stuff. So, yeah. But then, at the number 1 slot, and this might surprise some of you, Daily Driven Exotics is at the number 1 slot because they are not only the car channel, but just the YouTube channel I return to the most frequently, because they churn out videos very fast. It's good quality because they've got a good editor. They have access to such cool stuff, so many cool cars, hypercars, supercars, exotics, and it's just a completely different lifestyle that I can't help but be very interested in, you know, because I love cars and I love nice cars, and the whole supercar exotic lifestyle is very interesting. And they've got a collection of wild cars, twin turbo Huracans, McLarens, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, all sorts of stuff. They're twin turboing an F12 right now. That video, they made a video that about a couple episodes about the F12 twin turbo build with Aaron Kaufman, I believe is his name. I hope I didn't butcher that. And that was at within the top 3 of YouTube trending, not automotive trending, but YouTube trending. That's insane. That is so cool. So, congrats to them. And they're basically some of the biggest superstars of automotive YouTube to me, that I think, you know, that type of content I'd love to be able to make one day. You know, like I said, whenever I consume content and I enjoy it enough, I want to make it just like something similar or better or with my own flair or whatever. And someday I would love to do that. I think that would be so cool. But yeah, those are the top 10 YouTube channels that I watch currently, you know, that I come back to, watch new stuff, old stuff. Because you don't have to always watch a new upload of a channel. You can go back and watch old videos as well. You know, everyone does that, hopefully. Otherwise, I'm just weird. And then, of course, there's my channel, because sometimes I'll watch my videos, because that helps sometimes when I'm making new ones, this, that, and the other. But I don't think that really counts. And, of course, I didn't talk about any Twitch channels or anything like that, because I don't go on Twitch really to watch anything so much. I just stream myself. I don't really consume that many streams. I'll watch VODs that are saved on YouTube. That's really it. But yeah, those are the 10 channels, just to give you guys a better idea of, you know, what kind of content I consume.